Friends, imagine your life is quietly flowing by every day. The clock's hand is moving constantly. But the question is, are you truly moving forward? Or is time just slipping through your fingers like sand? Every morning when we wake up, we have a new opportunity. But the truth is, most people don't even recognize that opportunity. They start their day with small, trivial things, useless notifications, pointless conversations, or tasks that neither change their life nor fulfill their dreams. Slowly, the day ends, and then at night, while sleeping, the same regret. I still couldn't do anything significant today. Have you ever felt that even though you have everything in life, there's an emptiness somewhere, as if you are running a lot, but in the wrong direction? This is the real pain of time wasting. People think that wasting time just means being lazy. But real time wastage happens when you invest your energy in tasks that have no profound impact on your life. Just think, if you put your strength and focus in the right place, what a great revolution could come into your life. Those dreams you've been postponing for years can come true. Those destinations that seem far away can suddenly come near. But for this, the first and most important thing is to understand the value of time and invest it in the right direction. Everyone gets 24 hours in life. The difference is only that some people turn these 24 hours into sleep and the rest just waste them. This very difference makes one person successful and another unsuccessful. This book's journey will show you the mirror of your life. You will understand how procrastination slowly kills your dreams. You will feel how crucial goals and priorities are. And most importantly, you will learn that without discipline and focus, no success can ever be complete. This journey will not be easy because you will have to fight with yourself, against your laziness, your old habits, and most of all against that fear which stops you from taking action. But if you win this battle, every day of your life can become purposeful and powerful. Remember, time never stops. Whether you use it correctly or let it flow away, it will keep moving. The only difference is, will you become the master of time or its slave? So, let's start this journey. Get ready to change yourself. Get ready to turn your dreams into reality. And most importantly, get ready to stop wasting your time forever. And friends, if you want to keep getting ideas from such life-changing books continuously, then subscribe to Bookpedia now. This journey is long, and I promise that every step you will get something that will give a new turn to your life. Morning time. Faint sunlight coming through the window, fresh air, and the entire day ahead. The question is, how do you start that day? Most people choose the easiest task, scrolling through the phone, checking emails, or getting stuck in small things. They think starting the day with a light task is easy, but the reality is, this very habit takes them away from their destination. Think, if you had two paths in front of you, on one side is the task that is difficult, heavy, but will take you forward in life. And on the other side is the task that is easy, comfortable, but will leave you standing right there. Which path will you choose? The truth is, we all have a hidden fear inside our hearts. The fear of doing big work. Because with big work comes responsibility, hard work, and sometimes the fear of failure too. And this very fear pulls us back. But those people who first tackle their biggest and most important task in the morning, they change their lives. This task is difficult, but once you complete it, a different strength fills you inside. As if the day started with a victory. That one victory changes the entire flow of the day. Small things start seeming easier, confidence increases, and most importantly, procrastination breaks. You must have seen when a person starts the day with a big task, by evening they don't feel guilt because they know they have already won the most important part of the day. Whether the rest of the work gets done or not, they feel satisfied. But when you spend the day on small tasks, and the big task keeps getting postponed, restlessness increases inside. You can't sleep at night and the next day gets stuck in the same cycle. The way to change this habit is straightforward. As soon as you wake up in the morning, ask yourself one question. What is the biggest and most difficult task for today? And then, without any delay, without any distraction, get started on it. The beginning will be difficult. The mind will give excuses. Let me have coffee first. I'll do it later. Let me finish small tasks first. But if you ignore those excuses and take action, believe me, both your mind and heart will support you. It's exactly like the gym. When you lift the heaviest weight, it hurts at the beginning. You sweat, but as you keep lifting it, your muscles get stronger. Similarly, when you tackle the biggest task of the morning, your willpower gets stronger. Slowly it becomes a habit, and then big tasks start exciting you instead of scaring you. Remember, easy tasks will never take you to a big destination. If you truly want to achieve something in life, you have to do what is difficult, what is different from others, and what breaks your limits. Doing the biggest task first is not just a productivity habit, it is a reflection of your thinking. It shows that you are in control of your life, not that your life is in control of you. So when you wake up tomorrow, don't get stuck in small tasks. Choose the task that is the biggest, the most difficult, but the most essential for your growth. Complete it and then see how your entire day, entire week, and entire life gets transformed. Because the real victory starts from there. When you tackle your biggest task first thing in the morning. The biggest problem in life is not that we have less time. The real problem is that we don't know where to invest our time. Many people work day and night. They keep running. But when they look back years later, they realize they were running in the wrong direction. This is the biggest tragedy of such a person. They worked hard but didn't use that effort where it was truly needed. Think if you set out on a journey and you don't even know the way, then no matter how fast you drive, you will never reach the destination. Goals and priorities are just like that. Until you know clearly where you want to go, no matter how much you work hard, your hard work will scatter. People often say, I want to do something big in life. But the question is, what is big? Big could be money, big could be fame, big could be a happy family, or living your passion. If this is not clear, then the daily race will just tire you out more. Clear goals means asking yourself honestly, what do I truly want from life? And priorities means deciding whether my daily tasks are moving towards that destination or not. Because without priorities, a goal is just a dream. And a dream without action never becomes reality. Now you might be thinking, how to set priorities? The answer is simple. Whenever a task comes before you, ask yourself, is this task taking me closer to my destination or distracting me? If the answer is positive, then that task is a priority. If not, then no matter how urgent that task seems, its importance is less. It's exactly like a farmer who has two seeds. If he sows one seed in fertile land, it will give him fruit for years. And if he puts the other seed in barren land, no matter how much he works, he will get nothing. Setting goals and priorities means choosing the right land. But there's another hidden point here. Clear goals have to be written down. Until you put them on paper, they just float in your mind. And the mind's trick is that it is an expert at distracting us. Written goals remind you every day which direction your life is moving in. And priorities teach you every moment what task to say yes to and what task to say no to. You must have noticed successful people don't do many things every day. They only do what truly matters to them. Every decision, every step is connected to their ultimate goal. And that's why their progress seems faster than ours. Remember, clarity is the greatest strength in life. When you have a clear goal, your decisions become easier, you avoid distractions, and most importantly, your everyday becomes purposeful. So from today, don't get entangled in vague dreams. Sit down, think, and write your goals clearly. Then decide which tasks are your priorities. When you take steps every day in that direction, slowly that dream will turn into reality. Because real productivity doesn't mean doing more work, but doing the right work. And this is only possible when your goals are clear and your priorities are set.
Have you ever noticed that when you start the day without any plan, everything seems scattered? You pick up the phone as soon as you wake up, then jump from one task to another, and before you know it, it's evening. The day passes, but a restlessness remains inside. What did I even do today? This is the biggest truth of living without a plan. One day, 1 week, or 1 month passing by like this might not seem like a big deal to you, but this very lack of small planning slowly makes your entire life average. And when you look back years later, you understand that you didn't waste time, but you lost direction. Planning is actually an invisible map. It is that map which tells you where your energy should be invested. When you start every day with a clear roadmap, distractions don't mislead you. You don't get stuck in small tasks. And most importantly, you keep moving continuously towards your destination. Think, if a captain sets sail in the ocean without a map, what will happen? Even if he has the best ship, the strongest crew, without a plan, that ship can get lost anywhere. Your life is just like that ship. If you don't make plans, circumstances will keep pushing you here and there. The real magic of planning is that it removes the burden from your mind. When you make a list for the next day before going to sleep at night, your subconscious mind processes that plan all night. When you wake up in the morning, you know clearly what to do first and what not to do. This clarity itself makes your entire day smooth and powerful. But there is another truth here. Planning doesn't mean being rigid. It is not a jail where you get imprisoned. Rather, it is a guide, a direction. It tells you where your energy should be spent. Yes, sometimes sudden changes come and you have to adjust. But when you have a plan, you can easily change priorities without losing your focus. You must have noticed people who plan every day in advance always seem more satisfied at the end of the day because they know they kept control of their day in their hands. Whereas people who don't plan, circumstances take control of their day. And this very difference creates a gap between an ordinary person and an extraordinary person. Remember, planning doesn't just mean writing a to-do list. Planning means consciously deciding which steps you need to take today towards your goals. When you connect every small action of the day to your big dreams, only then does your life start to change. So tonight before sleeping, take out just 10 minutes for yourself. Write down tomorrow's day on paper. Which task matters the most? Which task will bring your destination closer? Write that first. Then, the other small tasks. When you follow this habit consistently, you will see that your efficiency will increase manifold. Because the real difference is created where you start controlling your day instead of the day controlling you. So, decide that you will not leave tomorrow to chance. Tomorrow will be yours. It will be your dreams. And its beginning will be when you plan your next day in advance tonight. So, have you ever noticed that even after doing many things in our life, the results don't come as we want? We run around all day, we remain entangled in countless tasks, but when the day ends, it feels as if no real progress happened. This is the very place where a simple principle can completely change your life. The 80-20 rule. This rule says that 80% of your success comes from 20% of your work. That means a small part of your hard work gives you the biggest results. Just think, out of all the tasks in your day, only a few are those that give real direction to your life. The rest of the tasks just eat up your energy, take time, and keep you busy, but don't make you productive. But when you understand the 80-20 rule, you start seeing clearly which tasks are truly changing your life and which tasks are just holding you back. Suppose there is a student, he studies for 8 hours a day, but out of those 8 hours, only 2 hours he truly studies with focus, and the remaining 6 hours he just sits with books open, gets entangled in distractions. Then the real difference is made by his 2 hours of study, not the entire 8 hours. This is the magic of the 80-20 rule. This principle doesn't just apply to studies or work. It works in your relationships, your health, your money, everywhere. Out of your friends, only a few will be those who truly support your growth. Out of your tasks, only a few will be those that get you big income or big opportunities. And out of your habits, only a few will be those that determine the direction of your entire life. Now the real question is, where are you putting your focus? On that 20% which will give you the biggest results, or on that 80% which will just tire you and hold you back? When you plan your day, you have to keep this rule in mind. Look at every task and ask yourself, will this task have a big impact on my life? If the answer is yes, then that is your high-value task. Postpone the other tasks, delegate them, or eliminate them completely. Remember, life is short. You don't have unlimited time. So every day invest your energy in those tasks whose impact is the deepest. Because when you focus on that 20%, your productivity increases manifold. Think, if every day you only complete those 2-3 tasks that shape your future, how quickly will your life change in the next few months? You won't need to work harder than others. You just have to work smarter. The 80-20 rule teaches us this. Being busy and being productive are two different things. If you pay attention to the right tasks, you will get big results with less effort. And if you remain stuck in the wrong tasks, no matter how hard you work day and night, the results will always remain small. So now the decision is yours. Will you waste your time on that 80% which has no special impact, or will you focus on that 20% which will take your life to new heights? Because real success comes to those who understand that not every task has the same value and who invest their energy only where they get real returns.
Imagine you have a long to-do list. 20-30 tasks are written. All seem urgent, all seem important. But at the end of the day, when you sit down tired, you realize that the most important task wasn't even touched. This is the result of a habit, lack of prioritization. Life is not short of tasks. What is short is the understanding of which task we should do immediately and which task can wait. Often, people get entangled in small tasks, phone calls, emails, or other people's small demands. They feel they were busy all day, but when counted, it turns out that the big task is still lying there untouched. This is why, despite a lot of hard work, growth remains slow. This is where the ABCD method can change your game. Think of it as weighing your tasks on a scale, giving value to each task so that it becomes clear where to put energy and what to leave immediately. At the top are A tasks. These are the tasks that have the deepest impact on your life and goals. Ignoring them means turning away from your own success. They are tough, but they have to be done. Imagine if for a student, the A task is exam preparation, and he spends the whole day on C tasks like decorating his room or chatting with friends. What will be the result? Then come B tasks. These are important but not as critical as A tasks. Doing them is necessary, but if there's a delay, it's not a big tragedy. C tasks are those that are nice to do, like checking social media, having casual conversations, but they have almost no impact on your real progress. They give comfort, but they don't move you forward. Now come D tasks. These are tasks that you can delegate to others instead of doing them yourself. Learning to delegate is also a skill, because if you try to do every task yourself, you won't have time left for those tasks that truly shape your future. And finally, there are E tasks. These are tasks that you should eliminate immediately because they only eat your time and waste your energy. Clarity in life comes when you look at every task through this lens. Suddenly, you start seeing clearly which task is taking you forward and which is just tiring you out. And when you start the day with this clarity, your productivity explodes. But the real challenge is consistency. People initially categorize every task with enthusiasm, but slowly, the same old habits dominate again. The mind says, do the easy task first, the difficult one later. And that's where they lose the game. Because easy tasks will never give you extraordinary results. Remember, every day you will have a heap of tasks in front of you. But your future will depend only on that decision. Which task you called an A and which an E. This very difference will decide whether your life becomes average or extraordinary. So next time you make your to-do list, don't leave it like that. Label every task A, B, C, D or E. Then first tackle the A task, because that is the one that will change the direction of your life. And when you follow this habit daily, one day you will realize that you have now become the master of your time. Now the day is not driving you, rather you are driving the day. And this is the real power you get when you learn to prioritize your tasks. Just think, you started a big task. For the first 5-10 minutes you are engaged with full enthusiasm. But suddenly the phone rings, someone's message, or you think, let me finish this small task first. And before you know it, you move away from that big task. Later, when you try to return to the same task, it feels as if all energy is gone. This is the biggest deception of multitasking. People think that doing many tasks at once increases productivity. But the truth is, multitasking breaks your efficiency. Every time you shift from one task to another, your mind resets, and in that reset, both your energy and focus are wasted. The result is that no task is completed fully, nor do you get the satisfaction of that task. Single handling means that once you start an important task, do not leave it in the middle without completing it. This habit sounds easy to hear, but practically it is the most difficult, because our mind is pulled towards distractions. But if you train yourself that once you start a task, you will not get up until it is 100% complete, then your productivity will soar. Suppose you start reading a book. If you keep checking your phone in between, you will neither enjoy the book nor understand it. But if you decide that for the next 1 hour you will only read the book, then that same book will give you new thinking, a new perspective, and deep clarity. This is the difference between single handling and multitasking. Single handling is not just a strategy for completing tasks. It becomes a part of your personality. It teaches you discipline. It creates patience and focus within you. And most importantly, it pushes you rapidly towards your goal. Think if a builder, while constructing a building, starts working on a new wall every day, leaving the foundation, will that building ever stand? Absolutely not. But when that same builder strengthens the foundation completely and then moves forward step by step, only then does a strong building stand. Life is exactly like that. If you leave every big task in the middle, your progress will never be strong. In the beginning, the habit of single handling will seem difficult. The mind will run away again and again. You will feel distractions pulling you. But every time you stop yourself and focus on the same task, you will become stronger. Slowly, this will become your habit, and one day you will feel that leaving a task in the middle is now impossible. Remember, starting any task is easy, but finishing it determines your success. Incomplete tasks don't give results. Completed tasks are what change your life. So from today, make a simple commitment. I will not leave a task in the middle once I start it. This commitment will sharpen your focus, save your energy, and multiply your productivity. Because the real victory belongs to the one who builds their life on the foundation of completed tasks, not on a pile of incomplete tasks. And this is the power of single handling. Conclusion. Life gives us a gift every day, 24 hours. The question is not how much time we have. The question is, how are we using that time? And believe me, this very decision changes the entire face of our life. We often get entangled in small tasks, unnecessary habits, and distractions. We think we are working very hard, but in reality, we are losing our energy in tasks that have nothing to do with our growth. This is why dreams remain dreams for years. But when you start the day with the biggest task, when you set clear goals and priorities, when you plan each day in advance, when you adopt the 80-20 rule and focus on your high-value tasks, when you make decisions thinking of consequences, when you rank your tasks with the ABCDE method, and when you develop the habit of single handling, then your productivity soars. And most importantly, your life becomes not just busy, but purposeful and powerful. Remember, success doesn't come from magic. It comes from discipline, clarity, and action. When you stop wasting your time, slowly, every day takes you closer to your destination. So now the decision is in your hands. You can either let your life get lost in small distractions, or you can invest your energy in those tasks that will make your dreams come true. Because the real difference is made by those people who say, enough is enough. I will not waste my time anymore. Now I will take control of my life myself. Friends, if these thoughts touched your heart and you want to keep getting stories, principles, and secrets from such life-changing books continuously, then subscribe to the Wallknows channel now. Because here, every video is going to bring your dreams closer to reality.